Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to send files on Messenger. The Messenger app on iPhone makes it easier to share photos and videos, but you can also send documents like PDFs with a quick workaround on Android and iPhone. Firstly, open the Files Manager on your device. Go to Documents or wherever the file you want to send, and then long press on it. Click the three dots menu, then select Share. Now from that menu, just select the Messenger app to share it directly. When you click the Messenger app on the sharing page, you'll get to the Messenger Selecting Contacts page. You now have to select a contact from your Messenger contacts to send the document to. When you press Send, it will be directly sent to that person. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.